Welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about how to add your mic. So we have our audio mixer here. These are our sources. This is a mic when I'm talking. So this is it, and this is our desktop audio. So this video has a sound. If I play it like this, you see when I play it, it starts working and the audio mixer starts moving. So right now, let's say for example we want to add another mic. Right now I'm using this mic, the HyperX Solocast. I want to add another mic here. We talked about it before. You can add audio input capture, but this is going to make another source in your sources, or you can just go to settings and select audio. Let's select its mic, microphone 4, USB audio device. Select it like this, apply, okay. As you can see right now I have another mic. When I start talking, it starts moving. But right now it's capturing a lot of noise. This is why it's working without me talking. Watch this. It's moving while I'm not talking because it has some noise. This mic, this is my main mic. It has filters on it to minimize noise. I'm going to talk about filters in another video, but this is how to add your mic. You can also go to control panel if you don't see your mic here. If I go for example audio, if you don't find your mic here, let's say for example this webcam has a mic, but the mic is not showing here. Why? Because I've disabled it. You need to go control panel, go to sound, go to recording. Now this is the webcam mic. You see it says disabled because I've disabled it. Just right click, enable. Right now when I'm talking, the voice is coming to the webcam. Okay, let's get back to OBS. If I go here, let's add another mic, C922. This is the webcam. Right now it's being added to OBS because it's enabled. Right now we have 3 mics here. This is the headset and this is the face cam. So you can mute it like this. You can disable it, change the volume like this, and you can add filters to each one separately, and you can make each one work or not work. So this is how to add your mic if you don't want it here. So let's say just click on it and click on hide. Now it's going to disappear, or you can just remove it from audio, disabled, and have your own mic working here. Apply, okay. So this was how to add your mic in OBS Studio. We'll continue in the next video.